Hello everyone, welcome to Mind Your Math YouTube channel. This is your Kona Kiran Reddy. Today I want to explain the question paper of Mathematics Talent Test 2022 conducted for 10th class students by ZP High School Kallur of YSR Kadapa district in connection with Andhra Pradesh Mathematics Forum. So let us quickly go through the questions. First question. Here we are given two statements. Statement X. If P belongs to N, 6 power P always ends with digit 6. P belongs to N means P is means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on like this. Now 6 power P, that means 6 power 1, 6 power 2, 6 power 3 like this ends with the digit 6. So 6 power 1 is 6, 6 square is 36, 6 cube is 216 and so on like this. If you observe, all these values are ending up with the digit 6. So this is correct one. So statement X is true. Now statement Y, let us go to statement Y. The HCF of 135 and 180 is 5. Let us find out the HCF of 135 and 180. Let us use divisional method for this one. 180 we have, let us divide with 135. 135 once, 135. Subtract, this will be 5 and this will be 7 minus 3, 4. So 45, let us take this 135 as the new dividend. 45 3s, 135, you know that. The remainder is 0. So 45, in this case, 45 is the HCF. So this one is the, given that 5 is the HCF. So this is the false statement and statement X is correct. Only statement X is true. Yes, this is correct. So option 1 is correct. Now let's go to question number 2. The value of log 0.1 to the base 0.001 is log 0.1 to the base 0.001. This is equal to log 0.1 to the base 0.001 we can write this one as 0.1 whole cube. Now we know that log x to the power of m to the base y to the power of n. This is equal to m by n into log x to the base y. Like that we can write. In the same way here also we can write. Here 0.1 can be written as 0.1 whole to the power of 1. So we can write this is equal to 1 by 3 into log 0.1 to the base 0.1. So this is equal to 1 by 3 times log 0.1 to the base 0.1, that is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1 by 3 times 1 means 1 by 3. So option 4 is correct. Let us go to the next question. Third question, if 2 power x plus 5 equal to 5 to the power of x minus 1, the value of x is. Here to solve this question, let us apply log on both sides. So we can write log 2 to the power of x plus 5. You can take any base equal to log 5 to the power of x minus 1. We know that log x power m to the base a equal to, we can bring this m to front side. So this is equal to m log x to the base a. So we can write this as x plus 5 into log 2 equal to x minus 1 into log 5. Here we need to find the value of x. Let us distribute it. X into log 2 plus 5 into log 2. This is equal to x into log 5 minus 1 into log 5. So that is log 5. Now bring all the terms involving x to left side. The terms which are not involving x, that means constants, to right side. So we can write x log 2. Bring this x log 5 to left side. So minus x log 5. This is equal to right side we have negative log 5. Then send this 5 log 2 which is at left side, send that to right side. So that will become minus 5 log 2. There are 3 minus symbols in the equation. So multiply the entire equation with negative sign. That means negative 1. Change the signs of all the terms. So you can get minus x log 2 plus x log 5 equal to log 5 plus 5 log 2. Take x as common. So we will get x. Here let us take first log 5. So log 5. Then minus log 2 equal to log 5 plus 5 log 2. Now from this we can say x equal to log 5 plus 5 log 2 divided by log 5 minus log 2. Now let us find out where this one is. Option 1 no, option 2 no, option 3 no. So none is the correct one in this case. Now let us see the fourth question. The value of log 2 base 10 plus log 5 base 10 divided by log 16 base 2 minus log 81 base 3. Here log 2 base 10 plus log 5 base 10 divided by log 16 to the base 2 minus log 81 to the base 3. This is what we have. This is equal to, we can write this one as log 2 times 5 to the base 10 divided by, now let us write 16 as 2 power 4. So it will become log 2 power 4 base 2 minus log 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4 to the base 3. Now this is equal to log 2 into 5 is 10. So log 10 base 10 divided by, here if you observe this one, this is of the form log x to the power of m to the base a. This can be written as, bring this m to front side. So m log x to the base a, like that we can write. So we can write this as 4 times log 2 base 2 minus, in the same way we can write the second value as 4 times log 3 base 3. Now this is equal to log 10 base 10 is 1 divided by 4 times log 2 base 2 is 1 minus 4 times log 3 base 3 is again 1. So this is equal to 1 divided by 4 times 1 minus 4 times 1, that is 0. So 1 divided by 0 means it is undefined value. So the option is fourth option, not defined. Let's go to fifth question. The product of the HCF of 125, 235 and the LCM of 20, 35. Let us find out the HCF of 125 and 235 first. 235, let us divide this with 125. So 125 times 1 is 125. Let us subtract, we will get 0 here, 1 here, 1 here. So let us make this 125 as the new dividend. Now 110, that is the new divisor. So 110 times 1 is 110. Subtract, we will get 5 here, 1 here. Now again, take this 15 as the new divisor and 110 as the new dividend. 15 times 7 is 105. Subtract 5. So let us divide the 15 with this 5. So 5 times 3 is 15. 0 becomes. So 5 is the HCF. So HCF of 125 and 235 is 5. Now let us find out the LCM of 20 and 35. 20, 35, let us find out the LCM. So both these values will divide by 5, 5 times 4 and this is 5 times 7. So therefore LCM equal to 5 times 4 times 7. 5 times 4 is 20, 20 times 7 is 140. Now we need to find out the product. So product of HCF of 125, 235 and the LCM of these two. So the product will be 5 times 140, which is equal to 14 times 5 is 70. So 700. So the correct answer is second one. Now let us go to next sixth question. Which of the following is not irrational? Not irrational. If you take the first one, there is square root of 110. There is no exact square root for 110. So this is an irrational number. We need to find out which is not an irrational. So this is not correct. Similarly, for 1000 also we don't have the perfect square root. So this is also an irrational number. So this is not our option. Square root of 576 we know that square root of 576 equal to 24. So 24 is a rational number. That means it is not an irrational. So option 3 is correct. Seventh problem. Number of subsets of a set which has 10 elements in it is. The formula to find out the number of subsets is 2 to the power of n. So here in this case the number of elements equal to 10. So 2 power 10. 2 power 10, if you find out the value of 2 power 10, it will be 1024. So the answer is first one. Let's go to next one. If a equal to x such that x is a prime number less than 10. Prime number less than 10 means that will be 2, 3, 5, 7. So set a equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Now set b is x such that x is an even number less than 10. So b equal to even number less than 10. So that will be 2, 4, 6, 8. So option B is, so set B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we need to find out A minus B union A intersection B. First let us find out A minus B. A minus B, if you find out, we will get 3, 5, 7. So this is A minus B. Then A intersection B, let us find out. A intersection B equal to, what are the common elements in both? Only 2. So union of these two means we need to write 2, 3, 5, 7. So option 3 is correct. Now let's go to ninth problem. Which of the following is finite? A. X such that x belongs to n and x minus 1 times x plus 5 equal to 0. X minus 1 times x plus 5 equal to 0. If we apply the zero product rule, we can say x minus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. So here x equal to 1 or x equal to negative 5. But here negative 5 is not a natural number. So x equal to 1. That is the solution we need to take for this equation. So this is equal to just 1. That means it is a finite set. Next let us go to B. X belongs to n, x cube equal to 81. So x cube equal to 81 means we can say x equal to cube root of 81. So 81 we can write this one as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is cube root of. So we can't write this one as a natural number. So satisfying both the conditions, x belongs to n and x cube equal to 81. Satisfying these two conditions, there is no element. So this is equal to an empty set. So that is 5. We know that 5 is also a finite set. So here in this case up to now option A, option B, both we got as finite sets. Now let us see option C. X belongs to n and x is a 2-digit prime number. Here in this case we need not to find out what are the 2-digit prime numbers. Just we need to say whether it is a countable or uncountable. We know that there are limited number of 2-digit prime numbers. So easily we can count. So this is also a finite set. Option C is also finite set. So option A, option B, option C, all are finite sets. So we can say A, B and C, the finite. So in the answers, first answer is correct one. Let's go to next 10th problem. If A is subset of B, then A minus B equal to. To find out the answer for this one, let me take one example for A and B such that A is subset of B. Set A means suppose the people of Andhra Pradesh. Set B means the people of Bharat. Bharat means India. Now clearly we know that A is subset of B. Why? Because all the people of Andhra Pradesh are also people of India. That means Bharat. Now A minus B means we need to take the people from Andhra Pradesh, but minus B means they should not belong to Bharat. That means India. Can you find out any such type of people? No. All the people from Andhra Pradesh must be the citizens of India. Right. So here A minus B means we can't find out any people who are living in Andhra Pradesh but not living in Bharat. So this is an empty set. So option 4 is correct. 11th problem. Which of the following represents the shaded portion in the adjacent figure? If you observe here, this is the shaded part. We know that this part is A minus B and this part is B minus A. So we need to consider both. That means A minus B union B minus A. So option 2 is correct. Here one thing I need to mention, in the options, if we don't have this A minus B union B minus A, then we need to search for another one. That is, you see here in the diagram, the total, this one is nothing but A union B. We know that. From that, that means from A union B, we need to remove this, the middle area. So what is that middle area? That is A intersection B. That means from A union B, we need to subtract A intersection B. Right. This is also an answer for this one. So this is denoted by A delta B. So in the options, if we have A delta B, then yeah, that is correct. If we have A minus B union B minus A, yes, that is correct. If we have A union B minus A intersection B, that is also correct. Next, let us go to 12th problem. Set theory was developed by, this is the direct question. Third option, George Cantor is the correct answer. Next one. If P of x equal to x power 4 minus x cube plus x square minus x, the value of P of root 3 is, that means we need to plug in the value of x that is equal to root 3 in the given polynomial. So x power 4 minus x cube plus x square minus x. This is what we have. Let us plug in x equal to root 3 in this one. So we will get root 3 whole to the power of 4 minus root 3 whole cube plus root 3 whole square minus root 3. This is equal to root 3 whole power 4 means we know that this is equal to 3 square minus root 3 whole cube means we can write this one as 3 root 3. Then plus root 3 whole square is nothing but 3. Then minus root 3. So this is equal to 3 square is 9. Then 9 plus 3 that is equal to 12. Then minus 3 root 3 again here we have minus root 3. 4 root 3. So 12 minus 4 root 3. That is equal to, we can take 4 as common in these two. So if you take 4 as common, 4 times 3 is 12. So we need to write 3 in the brackets minus this 4 has gone as common. So we need to write root 3. So 4 into 3 minus root 3. That is the correct option. So option 1 is correct. Next, 14th one. Which of the following is not a polynomial? Let us check here. Option A, option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. Yeah, here you see 2 by x plus 1. So here x plus 1 is in the denominator. If you bring this x plus 1 to numerator, that will be 2 times x plus 1 whole to the power of negative 1. As we have negative 1 as the exponent, so this is not a polynomial. So option 4 is correct. Let us go to next problem. Which of the following polynomials has exactly 1 0? Exactly 1 0. You see here x square minus 1 we have. So to find out the 0, we need to equalize this to 0. So we can say x square equal to 1. That means x equal to plus or minus root 1. Be sure. So that is equal to plus or minus 1. That means we have 2 zeros here. So this is not our option. We need to find out the polynomial which has exactly 1 0. Now second one. Now if you observe x square minus 1 is not the correct one means option 4 is also not correct. Okay, here we are given ABC, but we need to take that as 1, 2, 3, right? Right, okay, let's go to second one. X cube minus 1 equal to 0, let us take. From that we can say x cube equal to 1. From this x equal to cube root of 1, which is equal to just 1. So we have only 1 0 for this one. So option 2 is correct. Next, let us go to 16th problem. 0, 1, 2 are zeros of which of the following polynomial? Here we have 3 zeros, 0, 1, 2. Now suppose A is a 0 of a polynomial, then x minus A is a factor of that polynomial according to factor theorem. Similarly, if you take B as a 0 of a polynomial, then x minus B is a factor. So in the same way here also 0 is a 0, that means x minus 0 is a factor, that means x is a factor of the polynomial. Now 1 is a 0, that means x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. Now 2 is a 0, so x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. So the polynomial we can write p of x equal to multiply these three, x times x minus 1 times x minus 2. Now this is equal to, let us take first x times x minus 1 times x minus 2. If you multiply these two, you will get x square minus 3x plus 2. Now multiply the values within the brackets with x. So it will become x times x square x cube minus x times 3x 3x square. Then x times 2 is 2x. So plus 2x. So option 4 is the correct one. Let's go to next one. 17th problem. Polynomial having zeros negative 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 is. We know that if negative 2 by 3 is a 0, then x plus 2 by 3 is a factor. Now similarly, if 2 by 3 is a 0, then x minus 2 by 3 is a factor. So the polynomial p of x, we can write this is equal to x plus 2 by 3 times x minus 2 by 3. We can write a constant as a multiple of these two. So k times x plus 2 by 3 times x minus 2 by 3. This is equal to k times, this is of the form a plus b times a minus b. That will be a square minus b square. So x square minus 2 by 3 whole square. This is equal to k times x square minus 2 by 3 whole square, means that will be 4 by 9. Now to get rid of this 9 which is in the denominator, let us take k equal to 9. So that will be equal to 9 into x square minus 4 by 9. Now let us distribute. That means 9 times x square is 9x square. Then minus 9 times 4 by 9. 9 and 9 gets cancelled. This is equal to 9x square minus 4. This is the correct answer. So option 3 is the correct answer in this case. Let's go to next problem. Number of zeros of the polynomial represented in the adjacent figure. To find out the number of zeros, we need to find out how many times the graph is intersecting x-axis. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times the graph is intersecting x-axis. That means it has 4 zeros. So option 2 is correct. Next problem. Which of the following is not a linear equation? Not a linear equation. Linear equation means the equation of the form ax plus b equal to 0. That is a linear equation. So now let us check. First one, 2x plus 5 equal to 6x minus 7. So here the degree of this equation is 1. So clearly this is a linear equation, but we need to find out which is not a linear equation. That means this is not our option. Let us go to second one, x plus 5 times x minus 2 equal to x plus 7 times x minus 4. Here let us find out the products. X plus 5 times x minus 2, this is equal to x plus 7 times x minus 4. If you find out the products, x into x minus 2, use FOIL method to find out the products. FOIL method means F stands for first terms, O stands for outers, I stands for inners, L stands for last terms. That means first terms means x times x, so x square. Then outers means x and this negative 2. If you multiply those two, we will get minus 2x. Then inners means 5 and x, which are inside, those are inners. So we will get 5 times x, that is plus 5x. Then last means last terms, 5 and negative 2, that will be minus 10. Now this is equal to, let us apply same thing to the value which is at right side. X into x, x square. Then x into negative 4, that is minus 4x. Then 7 into x, 7x plus 7x. Then 7 into minus 4, that is minus 28. Here if you observe x square 5 plus 5x minus 2x means plus 3x, then minus 10, which is equal to x square minus 4x plus 7x means that will be plus 3x, then minus 28. Here x square and minus x square gets cancelled, 3x and minus 3x gets cancelled, so negative 10 equal to negative 28. This is what we will get. This is clearly not a true statement as well as not a linear equation. So option 2. So this is the correct answer for 19th question. Now 20. The solution of the equations 6x plus 12y equal to 7 and 12x minus 36 equal to negative 1 is. So here we have negative 36y and here we have 12y. So let us multiply this first equation with 3. So 3 times the equation gives us 3 times 6 is 18x, then plus 3 times 12 means 36, so 36y. This is equal to 3 times 7 is 21. Now the second equation is 12x minus 36y equal to negative 1. Let us add 36y and minus 36y will get cancelled. 18x plus 12x, that means 30x equal to 21 minus 1 is 20. So we can say x equal to 20 by 30, 0 and 0 gets cancelled, this is equal to 2 by 3. Now plug in x equal to 2 by 3 in any of these two equations, we will get the value of y. I am taking the first equation and substituting x equal to 2 by 3. So 6 times 2 by 3 plus 12 times y equal to 7. So this is 3 times 1 and this is 3 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 12y equal to 7. Now 12y equal to 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. Y equal to 3 by 12. So 3 times 1 and 3 times 4. So that is equal to 1 by 4. So x equal to 2 by 3 and y equal to 1 by 4. 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. So option 1 is correct. Next problem. Find the value of p if the equations p plus 2 times x plus p minus 5 times y equal to 7 and 3x minus 4y equal to 2 are inconsistent. Inconsistent. When can we get inconsistent? Suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Then when can we get inconsistent? Inconsistent means the equations have no solution. No solution means if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, then we will get inconsistent solutions. So here in the given equations, p plus 2 times x plus p minus 5 times y equal to 7 and 3x minus 4y equal to 2. These are the two equations we have. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. That means p plus 2 divided by 3 equal to p minus 5 divided by negative 4. Now to find out the value of p, let us cross multiply. So negative 4 times p plus 2 equal to 3 times p minus 5. Now let us open the brackets. Minus 4 into p minus 4p minus 4 into 2 minus 8. This is equal to 3 times p is 3p minus 3 times 5 is 15. Now let us bring all the terms involving p to left side. Minus 4p, then send this 3p to left side, minus 3p. Now let us bring all the terms which are constants to right side. Negative 15 is already there at right side. Send this negative 8 to right side, that will be plus 8. So minus 4p minus 3p means minus 7p. That is equal to minus 15 plus 8 means minus 7. So minus 7 and minus 7 gets cancelled, or we can write p equal to minus 7 by minus 7, which is equal to 1. So option 3 is the correct one. Now let us go to question number 22. The value of x which satisfies the equation is, this is the print mistake, x plus 6 plus x by 2 equal to 5 is dash. So x by 6 plus x by 2 equal to 5. This is what we have. We need to solve this for x. To solve this for x, Let us multiply this second part by 3 and divide by 3 so that the denominators will be equal. So we will get x by 6 plus this is 3x by 6 equal to 5. So we can write x plus 3x, that is 4x by 6 equal to 5. From that we get x equal to 4 by 6. If you send this 4 by 6 to right side, it will be 6 by 4, then times 5. This is equal to, let us cancel, 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. So this will be equal to 3 times 5 is 15. So 15 by 2. Option 3 is correct. Next problem. Number of solutions of the equation x by 5 plus 3y by 7 equal to 8 are. Here, this is a linear equation in two variables x and y, and we have only one equation. That means it has infinite number of solutions. So fourth, option 4 is correct. Next. The speed of a boat is x kilometer per hour and that of the river is y kilometer per hour. The boat goes 40 kilometer upstream. Let me write here upstream and here downstream. In upstream, the boat goes 40 kilometers. So distance d equal to how much? 40 kilometer. Now and 50 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. 50 kilometer downstream. So 50 kilometer. This is the distance. In 10 hours, time t equal to how much? 10 hours. Which of the following equation represents this data? Now here on upstream, the resultant speed in upstream will be x minus y. Why? Because in upstream, the current of the river, that means the flow of the river opposes the movement of the boat. So the resultant speed will be decreased. So x minus y is the resultant speed. So therefore time equal to, we know that time equal to distance by speed. So 40 by x minus y. This is T1, let us take in upstream. Now in downstream, the resultant speed will be equal to, as the boat is traveling in downstream, its speed will be increased. So the resultant speed will be x plus y. So in this case, the time taken is T2 equal to, distance is 50 divided by x plus y. Now T1 plus T2 equal to how much? 10 hours. So we can write 40 by x minus y plus 50 by x plus y equal to 10. This is the equation. Option 4 is the correct one. Now let us go to next question. If the polynomial p of x equal to given one polynomial is divided by x minus 5, the quotient is, we need to divide the given polynomial by x minus 5, then we need to find out the quotient. Let us divide. Given polynomial is x cube minus 8x square plus 16x minus 5. Now divide this with x minus 5. We have x cube here. So if you multiply with x square, so x square into x cube, then x square into minus 5 minus 5x square. Subtract. So this will be minus, this will be plus. X cube and minus x cube will get cancelled. Minus 8x square plus 5x square. That will be minus 3x square. Then bring down 16x. So plus 16x. This is minus 3x square and the first term here is x. So to get minus 3x square, let us take here minus 3x. So minus 3x into x, so minus 3x square. Then minus 3x into minus 5, that will be plus 15x. Subtract. Change the signs here. Minus 3x square plus 3x square gets cancelled. 16x minus 15x means, that is, so bring down next minus 5 here, minus 5. So x minus 5 times, just take 1 here. So x minus 5 times 1 is x minus 5. Subtract, we will get 0 here. So the remainder is 0. And what is the quotient? We need to find out the quotient, not the remainder. So x square minus 3x plus 1. So option 3 is correct one. Don't get confused. Here we need to find out the quotient, not the remainder. Okay, so option 3 is the correct one. So up to now, I gave the solutions for first 25 questions. Actually, in the test, we have 50 questions. Next, from 26 to 50 questions, I will give the solutions in my next video. So let me stop here. Hope you enjoyed my explanations. If you enjoyed my explanations, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and colleagues or any people who has interest in mathematics. Thank you. Yours Konakiran Reddy.